Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, in this video, we will be introduced to the third rule of Noon Sakin and Tanween called iqlab. So again, we are dealing with Noon Sakin or Tanween, which is double vowels. That is what we call Tanween. And the rule is iqlab. Okay. So what is iqlab? After Noon Sakin or Tanween, if we have the letter ba, then we change the noon sound. We change the noon sound, right, which can be from here, or it can be from one of these. Sorry, one second. In, on, right? So that N sound at the end changes into a meme sound. Okay? So let's look at some examples of that. Okay. So we have noon sakin followed by ba. Let's start from the beginning. Is ba from the letters of idhar? What are the letters of idhar? Hamza ha, ayn ha, ghayn kha. No, ba is not from the letters of idhar. Is ba from the letters of idgham? What are the letters of idgham? Yarmalun. No, ba is not from the letters of idgham. Is ba from the letters of iqlab? Yes, because the letter of iqlab is ba. So, what are we going to do? We are going to change the noon into a meme. So, initially, we had a noon sound here, right? A noon sound. This noon sound will change into a meme sound, and that's why we have that small little meme there. So instead of min bani, it will be mim bani with ghunna. Okay? The noon changes into a meme and you read with ghunna, the nasal sound. Okay? And this happens again right here. Noon sakin followed by ba, so the same exact thing is happening. Okay, let's look at another example here. We have noon sakin. So here it's unique because it's in one word, noon sakin, followed by ba. And we have the small little meme. So instead of anbiya, it's ambiya. Okay? Ambiya. And that's